What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this is the long awaited 1v1 designer battle. Subscribers battle off to see who made the best banner. So we have another two challengers. We have Love and Danny. Danny creates. We'll check their work out in a bit, but before that we need to see who won the previous battle. So the previous battle was Azur versus Zera. Azur won with his great banner, and because he won with his great banner, I'm going to use his banner on my Twitter till the next video. So this is the last video that I had prepared for the 1v1 or subscriber challenge, so I need people again to battle it off. So if you want to battle off, join the Discord, go to VS Challenge, ask someone who wants to go ahead, battle against each other. You can choose the theme, or if you want me to choose a theme, I'm happy to do that as well. But yeah, let's just check out the portfolios first as well. Let's start with Danny. Danny has an amazing portfolio with amazing 3D text in my opinion. The colors as well really pops out, and I can't wait what he makes. Now let's go check out Love his Behance. I really like the colors and the positioning as well. The text could be a bit better. I can't wait to see what he does with it. So yeah, also disclaimer, Love has quit designing. I don't know what he does now, but yeah, I'll still put his socials in the description. The team was Kaguya-sama, Love is War, which is a really great anime. So yeah, let's just start the battle. So we're at the end of the battle. They have both really great work, but let's start with the banner of Danny. Let's check it out first. So what I really love is, of course, the colors. The colors are really great. He went for the inspiration of my bandage, which I appreciate. The only thing I will do a bit different is the shadow beneath your character on the left, but overall it looks really clean and really well done. You just see him dragging in the text, so I don't know where he made it, but probably Cinema 4D. I've seen this a lot before in his other work. The only thing also what I would change is the Japanese text bar above Express. I think that doesn't fit, or maybe like a different font would have been better, or maybe a bit less Japanese text. And then of course we have Love, his banner. Like I said, this is his older work. So yeah, what I would have done different is of course the random anime screenshots in the background. I would just remove that. I think that would look a lot better in my opinion. And then maybe give a gradient on some certain characters as well, would have had a nice touch. And then the little clouds in the background, really like those clouds. I love them both. Let me know in the comments down below who won, and of course then we'll see that in the next episode who won, of course. Thanks for participating, Danny and Love. That is all I had in my folders of the 1v1 of Designer Challenge or Subscriber Challenge. So yeah, I need some new people to make something. So yeah, join the Discord, join the VS Challenge, or ask your friend to join or anything, and then, or maybe I'll join the VS Challenge. That would also be fun. But yeah, join the Discord if you want to do that, of course. And I hope you enjoyed this video and can't wait to see what people create next time. Peace.